Hey, it's ItsJish and welcome back to another video. Today in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to schedule tweets using a great website called Hootsuite. So what you want to do first is go to the link in the description and go to hootsuite.com. So this is the homepage, and what you want to do once you're here, you got all of this. I'm already signed in, but let me just go incognito real quick. So guys, you need to go to hootsuite.com, which will be the link in the description below. You gotta click sign up. Now you're here in plans. So now you may think there's only just paid ones, but there's not. Try our limited free plan. 3 social profiles, 30 scheduled messages, 1 user. Click sign up now. So with this free thing, as it just said, you can only do 30 messages, which is kind of annoying. But if you're planning on just going away and you want, like, if this is a one-off thing you're gonna do, yeah, you could just do this real quick. I'm sorry my hair looks so stupid. I've just had a haircut. It's like, ah. Anyway, you gotta sign up for an account. I've already signed up, so we're gonna hop back to this window. We're gonna head over to my dashboard, and this is where you send all of your stuff from. Ooh. Currently, I have my Twitter and my Instagram up here, but when you come in, you'll be asked to sign in to some of your social media accounts, so you gotta do that. Do not worry, it's completely safe, it's completely fine. And you can also, like, once you've signed in, I'm using Twitter as an example, so I can reply from here. I can do everything from here. This is like TweetDeck, but a lot better. Thanks so much. I'm gonna respond to that. So you can see in the very top left, ItsJish Media. That is my Twitter. And where it says compose message up here, you want to type your message. I'm just gonna say that I'm away on holiday, so I can't respond to comments. So guys, once you've got your message, you want to click this scheduling button, this calendar, and then you can choose when you want this message to be posted. As you can see, 0 out of 30 messages schedules. To schedule unlimited message, upgrade your plan now. But guys, you can also use this as a TweetDeck alternative, but I haven't used TweetDeck, I haven't really used either of them, so I don't really know which is better. That's up to you. So guys, with this, as it says, 0 out of 30 messages scheduled. So I could just use this as a TweetDeck alternative, but if I want to schedule messages, I gotta upgrade my plan. Auto schedule your message for optimal impact. Could do a test one, but I don't want to waste any of my things. But guys, you just gonna have to trust me on this one. This will, I promise you, this will work. So I've done it before on other accounts, but I've lost the passwords to them. I'm super sorry about that. But I'm going to select the day of the 5th of August. Select the time as 7 PM. That's when I normally post videos. So yeah, I'm going to do it 7:05 in the afternoon. I'm going to also schedule, nope. So I've selected the 5th. I'm gonna select that I want to get an email, and I am going to schedule this message. Now the message has been scheduled. So guys, from this TweetDeck style page, how do you get to your actual schedule messages? That is probably what you're wondering right now. So what you want to do is come over to the left hand side, click this paper airplane where it says publisher, and you will be taken straight to scheduled. So as you can see, 1 out of 30 messages scheduled. That is literally the message I have just done. And it says the date Sunday, August 5th. So guys, from here you can edit the message and do whatever you want, but select social networks. You can do different social networks. So guys, with this you can also schedule Instagram posts. You can schedule a photo with a caption. You can also do photos and videos through this, but I've decided not to this time around. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of this tutorial, guys. It's a very short one, but yeah, if you guys did enjoy this and you want me to do a more in-depth tutorial on how to do this with Instagram, make sure to tell me in the comments below. But without further ado, make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe if you're new or if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.